Disclaimer, this video is gonna be two-part for the sake of not wasting your time. The video gonna be too long and you're probably gonna get bored and you're probably gonna skip all of it. So I don't want that to happen. Just enjoy the video. Hey guys, this is Kaiwan from Kaiwan Production. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm back with another interesting video. Usually this is not the type of video that I make, but I thought why not make something different. So it's been 2 weeks. I got this toy here, right here. It's a Sigma 85mm 1.4, and I wanted to test it out. I want to see the result in different location like this. So we came to this location. As you can see, it's very challenging for me to shoot. Also, you can showcase it there. It's a bit challenging for me to use this lens in this location, but we're gonna try a different location and we're gonna see how this lens would work it out. So yeah, I haven't really put on it a test, and we have this beautiful model today with me, so she can help me out and see the outcome. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just do it. I cannot wait to see the result. So honestly, we're expecting some waterfall here, but since it's summer, I mean it's dry, but like we're still gonna try to get some cool shots from the rocks and the structure of the you know, rocks, I guess. So yeah, my model please. Let's start shooting. So as you can see, there's a really interesting cave here. We might get benefit from that. Oh, I'm out of breath. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna try to do is to put my subject model here and try to showcase the background. Even though it's 85mm, I have to get far away. I'm out of the breath.
Oh shit, here we go again.
The echo, man, my
yeah,
voice.
Yeah, I know, I can feel it.
Okay, so as you can see here, I'm gonna shoot with 1.4 so we can get a really nice depth and field. So far I really love it. Can come closer a bit, get more closer shot. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna go with 1.8 at this case because I want to get more sharpening on her face. Wait, the wind is not helping at all, but also it gives us a really authentic and dramatic look. Maybe we can change the location and try it here. So what we tried to do, basically, we're waiting for golden hour and we saw this place here. We're gonna go and shoot some pictures here, and then we can go shoot the golden hour outside. Nice. Okay, you can sit down. That's really nice. Stay there. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have a really interesting background here. Really nice structure. And I'm shooting with 2 aperture so we can get a very sharp look. Usually I would go with 1.4, but at this case, sometimes you just have to go upper. And since we don't need much light here, it's already shady, so I think we're fine. Maybe we can try, we can try with this, work with the environment, take advantage of this, you know, leaf here. Okay. Beautiful, I love this. Something like that. I really like this shot so far. We have a very soft light on her face. It looks like we had a softbox here, but it's actual natural light, which is amazing. Maybe I can shoot some like up angle shot. Sometimes you can get benefit from this kind of, you know, I would say any subject, like foreground subject, and you can benefit as a blurry overlay, and it makes the photo really interesting, and it's like it pops out the subject more. Now for this shot I will go a little bit further. I want to shoot the whole body, and let's see what we can get. Now I usually would like to ask my model to move around a little bit. Yeah, love that. No, not that one. I think we're done with this location. Got some cool shots. Now we're gonna, even though we like kind of got disappointed because there's no water here, my hat slides. So but still we like the shots, and now we're gonna, I'm not gonna put that in, okay? So let's do it again. So I'm holding my hat like this so it doesn't go away. Anyway, I think we're done in this location. Now we're gonna shoot some golden hour shots in another location. So without further ado, let's just get in. Let's just do it, I guess.